Hey guys, it's Sam here with WTI. I want to tell you about this cute little Bluetooth remote that I have here. So this is awesome. Call me lazy, but it is great. You can hook this up to most Bluetooth like devices. It works on smartphones or anything like that. You can use it as a camera shutter to take pictures. So there's a lot of different variety of uses in it, which is great. It also has this little keychain here, so you can hook it to your keychain and attach it or detach it as needed so that you don't lose it or that it's always with you when you're on the go. And it does come with a battery, which is great. So I definitely recommend this. I think it's probably not like a necessity in life, but if you are looking for a little tool like this, I think it's an awesome thing to add and even a great gift for someone that you might love. So definitely check it out, and that is my point of view.